Okay guys, let's continue looking at percentage change using our formula, which is this one here. So in our previous video, we established to say every time when you are calculating percentage change, either increase or decrease, we use this formula here which says we always subtract new, take away odd price or odd term over odd times 100%. This is the formula that gives us the percentage change, either increase or decrease, profit or loss. So now in this video, I want us to look at specifically some examination type of questions. So this first question here, I found it in one of the papers, in Zambian papers. And then it says, in 2021, the price of fuel per liter changed from 15 kwacha 13 ngwe to 17 kwacha 15 ngwe. Calculate the percentage change. So it's like in 2021, the fuel price changed from 15 kwacha 13 ngwe to 17 kwacha 15 ngwe. Then the question says calculate the percentage change. Now, percentage change, as we established in our previous video, says new minus odd price over odd times 100%. So now in this question here, you would notice that 15.30 is our odd price for fuel. And then 17.50 is our new price for fuel. Okay, so we need to state these terms nicely in order for us to use our formula. Okay, so now our formula says percentage change, all right, percentage change is always going to be equal to new take away odd. So our new price is 17.50, take away the odd price, which is 15.30. Now everything should be divided by the odd price, which is 15.30. Then multiply everything by 100%. This is what our formula tells us. Now if we do our mathematics nicely, if we say 17.5 take away 15.3, you would find that up there we're going to get, so this is going to be equal to 2.2, okay, 2.2 over 15.30. Now everything multiplying 100%. This is 2.2. Now if we use our calculators nicely, you would find that this gives us 14.4% to three significant figures. So guys, what is important is knowing which one is going to be your odd price, your odd money or whatever that will be, and then your new. Always what you start with is your odd, and then the later amount would be your new price. So this formula here is very important, and these are some of the things that we need to be adding to the things that we need to recite. So every time when you want to calculate either percentage increase, decrease, profit or loss, it means we are saying new price take away odd price over odd price times 100%. Now in this case, if you look at this, this is a positive change. So it means fuel prices increased from 15 to 17 by 14.4%. So every time when we get a positive outcome, it means there is an increase or there is a percentage increase in whatever commodity that is. So it means the government increased fuel prices. If it is the government or whatever board looks at increasing prices, it increased fuel prices by 14.4%. So it is very important to notice. So this is increase now. I'm just going to say increase here. Now let's look at one last example. This one, it's just a practical question that I just changed a little bit. It says, question 2 says, in 2012, Mr. Nkata bought a car at 150,000 kwacha and later sold it at 95,000 kwacha in 2021. Calculate the percentage decrease of the price of the car. Okay. So now this Mr. Nkata bought a car at 150. He later sold the same car at 95,000 kwacha. Then the question says, what is the percentage decrease in terms of the price for the car? So what we need again in order to use this formula up there is to know which one is our odd price and which one is our new price. So you can see that 150,000 is our odd price, and then 95,000, all right, is our new price. So now once we establish this, all we need is to take everything and substitute them in our formula. So now our formula for the percentage decrease would now be new, which is 95,000, take away the odd price, which is 150,000, over the odd price, which is 150,000 times 100%. All right. This is very important to know and to take note of. So now, once we do that, you will notice that the difference between 95,000 and 150,000 would give us, the difference would be 55,000 kwacha. Now this 55,000 kwacha would be over 150,000, then times 100%. If we do our mathematics very well here, you will definitely notice that this is coming to a percentage change. Okay, you can always confirm that to a percentage change of, because this is minus, big from small, a percentage change of negative 36.7%. Now you can see here we are getting a negative 36.7% because we are taking away a bigger number from a smaller number, which is 95,000. So it means there is a percentage decrease. That's why even the question stated to say, can you calculate the percentage decrease in the price of the car? So it means this Mr. Nkata decreased his price for the car by 36.7% to 3 significant figures. So the answer to the question now is the percentage decrease is 36.7%. The negative just helps us know or recognize that this is a percentage decrease, but the answer is 36.7% decrease in terms of price. So guys, to conclude this wonderful and lovely topic, I just want to say that this formula here is very important. This formula here is very important. All you need to remember is new minus odd over odd times 100%. If the question is on percentage increase, decrease, this formula would still work. So it is very important that we pay attention to new minus odd over odd times 100%. So every time you look for the new price or the new change over the odd commodity price or whatever that is, and then you just substitute. Positive answer, like this first question, means increase, and then negative answer means decrease. When you find the negative answer, just know it's a decrease, but the answer is a positive of that answer. So thank you very much, and please go through and you can attempt other questions once you are done understanding this. So thank you very much for your time.